Hello, welcome to my kitchen. If you are new here, this is Blossom Kitchen. Thank you for always tuning in. I appreciate you all. Today, I'm showing you how to make melon egusi black soup with a twist. I will use cassava leaves. Fresh cassava leaves are a Nigerian superfood. They are packed with protein up to 38%. Vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, iron and antioxidants for immunity, glowing skin and energy. This dish is nutritious, flavorful and easy, perfect for impressing your family and enriching your cooking skills. In this video, I will reveal the secret frying method for egusi that makes it crumbly and flavorful. Also, I will show you how to pick the perfect cassava leaves by taking you to my garden to show you exactly which parts to pluck and which bitter stems to avoid. Ready to cook? Grab your apron. We are making magic in the kitchen. Let's go. Alright, follow me to my backyard. I want to pluck the cassava leaves that we're going to use for this recipe. Okay, this is the beginning of the rainy season and cassava leaves are sprouting, and each time I see this yellowish leaf, I just love to cook the soup. So can you see I'm plucking the very newest leaves on the cassava stem. It's tender and has very light green color. So just trace every part of your cassava tree, as you can see me do, and cut off the leaf. When you cut, you will discover it's very tender. It easily gives way. Don't mind the noise you are hearing from students. I have a school by my side. We share the same fence. Okay, let's cut more. Now, it's not all the leaves that are good or that you can use. Some leaves are very hard, but as you can see, this one is soft enough. So when you see it's very light colored from the other leaves and is at the tip of the stem, you can just pluck it. Let's get back to the kitchen. Okay, let's prep the other ingredients. I'm going to make use of catfish. This catfish is just peeled, so I've prepped the catfish and it's neat and cleaned now. If you want to see the video of how I wash this catfish, check the description. My catfish is ready for use now. Very neat and it's clean. Okay, for the other ingredients, I make use of Ponmo, which we call cow skin. It's washed and cut. I also have a panla or smoked fish. Pepper mix, cleaned and grounded. Locust bean, roughly blended. This is crayfish, roughly blended too. So it's time to cook now. I introduce my red oil into the pot that is on the fire. Allow it to heat up. Then bring in my chopped onions. Chopped onion, allow to fry for like 1.5 minutes. So then you introduce the blended pepper mix, which contains takase, rojo, which is habanero pepper and onions. So I'll fry until all the water content dries up while I prep the other ingredients. We are using melon for this recipe. So this is dried blended melon. So add a little water and mix well till the crumbs disappear, and it must not be watery if you want to have golden crumbs in your egusi soup. I will make sure I mix it well, and if the water is not enough, I add a little water there. So yes, this is the consistency that I want. It took me time. I only cut off the clip to make the video short enough for you, so you take your time when you are preparing it. Alright, we set this aside and check our pepper. So back to the pepper on the fire. As you can see, the water content is dried up. I introduced the mixed melon and cut them in bit size into the frying pepper. This is to allow it to produce crumbs or to form crumbs. I've been using spoon, as you can see. I decided to use my hand because it's easier for me. Do well to go with the method that is comfortable for you. Cassava black soup has a very high nutritional value. Of course, the protein value in cassava leaves is up to 38%. Cassava leaves are packed with essential nutrients, which include protein, vitamins, vitamin A, B, and C, and minerals such as iron, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. This nutrient density supports overall health. The vitamins A and E in cassava leaves reduce the signs of aging and makes your skin glow. To me, it is medicinal. So after frying for some time, the egusi or the melon has formed crumbs, as you can see. So it is now time to add water. Please make sure you add hot water. So stir well, cover and allow it to cook so that the crumbs will not fall apart. This is just my method of cooking this egusi and make it remain crumbly. If you wish to make it scatter, if you want to allow it to scatter, no problem. So just cover and allow it to boil for 2-3 minutes. Wow, this soup is inviting even without ingredients. So it's time for me to introduce all the sweeteners now. The first thing there is the crayfish. And followed by the locust bean. I have the Ponmo, the cow skin. Then the smoked fish. Add my seasoning and salt. for taste. Mix everything well so that the ingredients will blend together. I want to know what you think about my method of cooking egusi. That's the water I washed from the plate, so it serves as a thickener. It's optional. You may not use it. So I cover now again and allow the ingredient to cook well and blend together to release its taste. Over here, I have my washed cassava leaves, as you can see. I've washed the cassava leaf and I'll remove all the little stems and cut them into tiny chunks before blending. As I was preparing this recipe, I thought of using my cassava leaf like I use vegetable instead of blending it. But for this recipe, I'm going to blend. I don't know whether you have tried it that way. Let me know in the comments. So over here, yes, our egusi, as you can see, the crumbs did not fall apart and everything is okay and intact. Very fine. The aroma in my kitchen is wonderful. So I've introduced the blended cassava leaves. So I introduced the blended cassava leaves, as you can see. Wow, the color is inviting. Please take note that when you are cooking cassava leaves, make sure you cook it properly. Please cook it well. Don't just parboil, because cassava itself or cassava leaves has some kind of cyanide or what they call poison, whatever they call it. So when you cook well, those things are removed. So I introduce my catfish now. It's the last thing because I don't want it to break. So I will now cook everything together, and by the time it cooks, the cassava leaf will have cooked very well and my catfish also will cook well without falling apart. So I'll cover now and allow to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. Depending on your heat anyway. If you're on high heat, it will take lower time. This is my soup, black soup, cassava leaves black soup. How I wish you were in my kitchen. Just looking at this soup, it's already calling for swallow. What kind of swallow do you have there? I've already prepared my amala because I can't wait. My amala is already in the cooler. Wow, sumptuous meal. Beautiful blend of black soup from cassava leaves. This is good goodness. Tell me if you will try my recipe. My soup is ready and off the fire. Let's go to the dining table. So over here, I served, sorry, I missed the clip for where I'm dishing it. I didn't know I did not put on my camera. So it's already served. You can see my amala there. And I love soup. Plenty soup. Soup is food anyway. Can you see this rich goodness? Catfish with amala. and cassava leaves black soup. Beautiful. Come and eat. After a long time labor, it is time to eat. Very sweet. Are you there? Thing is hot. It's hot. I wish I can give this to you. I'm serving you. This one is for you. So hi guys, this is the end of my egusi black soup with cassava leaf. Thank you so much for hanging around. I appreciate you all. Please like, share with your friends, and make sure you subscribe if you have not done. Thanks for watching. Bye.